So that's why I'm a big believer in civic ritual. I'm a big believer in parades and events and ceremonies. And we try to take our kids. We did it this year. We'll do it every year. What we celebrate, what we honor, is a reflection of what we value. What do we spend our time cheering for, clapping about, recognize, talking about? That tells our kids what we care about. And my parents just doing that simple duty year after year is what kind of stacked in my brain. Hey, you should do this. And then I did, and kind of the rest is history. But our country for years had been pretty good at doing that, taking
Yeah.
young Pete's who don't have any of that background and saying, hey, be all that you can be, or, few the proud, like, that's what I want to be. And they did it. And we're losing that. And that's why we've got some of the recruiting challenges we have.
Back to parades.
Yeah.
These things, these civic expressions that you mentioned, talk more about that and what happens if we forget why we stand, if we forget why we sing along with the national anthem, when we forget why we put our hand over our heart, or why we salute, or why we stand when a woman enters the room, or any of the other little social lubricants that kind of keep us uh, from tearing each other's throats out.
Well,
Why is it important?
you said it so